Here's how to find the videos you've recently watched on Facebook. Start by opening the Facebook app. The first method is to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Scroll down to the shortcuts section and select Video. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the profile icon again. From here, you can select History to view your watched video history. If you don't see it there, don't worry. There's another way to find it. Go back and tap on your profile icon once more at the bottom right. This time, scroll up and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Activity Log and select it. Then tap on Activity History at the top of the screen. To narrow it down to just videos you've watched, tap on Filters. Under Categories, go to your Facebook activity. Select Posts, and you'll see an option for videos you've watched. Tap on it, and a list of all the videos you've recently watched will appear. And that's it. You're all set. Hope this helps. If it did, please consider subscribing. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.